Karon pag yung kong magampo na mahagpong. Kung di ka pasar of the DLBW, no? I don't want to elaborate more. Is God master plan of evangelization. This time, I'd like to call our brother who will explain to us about God master plan in evangelization.
Thank you, bro. May gabi sa tanan. May gabi ninyo. O pagkasabado, nagpa-shave ko niya. Dilantan man akong barbero niya. Na proven na gid nako nga akong bungot dahil mas gusto mo tubo kaysa akong buhok. After 6 days, so I don't need to explain further about that. Okay. Maka-relate si our brother Chappie because that sets the tone right for his teaching. Brother Reese, please go ahead.
Discipleship/Leadership Development Workshop, DLBW, Module 1. Introduction to Documents. There is a lack of visible evidence of true and genuine Christianity. IT acknowledges the powerful message of the gospel of Jesus Christ, which addresses the deepest human needs for meaning, love, forgiveness, freedom, and calls the failure of Christianity to create a significant spiritual
Slide that is there so that you take it home with you. This is gonna be with your participation. For a change, come on, we gotta do it this way para malingaw ta. Not only that, we enjoy the benefit of, God's master plan of evangelization. What is evangelization? There are 2 screens, right? So you can choose which one is favorable sa inyo. Proclaiming the Christian gospel of good news to others with the goal of inspiring faith, encouraging people to live according to Christian teachings. So who are we in God's eyes? His own children. Why did God send His Son? To bring the good news of salvation and to bring us close to salvation. So, in the economy of salvation, napod na silimutan ang pagkikilit datong kung binuhay dati, buwang bata, PWD or belief. In the economy of salvation, everybody is equally given the opportunity to be saved. That's the economy of salvation. And Reformation is the opportunity for us to be able to provide a gateway for those whom we invite during the breakfast and all of that. Them, ministered with them, healed with them, preached with them. His classroom was life itself. So, he spent time with his disciples. Impartation. Impart meaning niyang libiyaan ang uban niyang libiyaan. So, there's a Greek word called kenosis. You're not taking pictures. Balik sa tago, balik on the first slide. Okay. Na may tabo, balik ka magsugod with certain mindset or kung sa imo pag-ampok. You got to start somewhere. And you got to end somewhere. And somewhere in the middle, something else happens. So these are our attitude, our Christian attitude, our prayerful attitude. It's normal, it's nice. But we have to somehow be able to have the capacity to identify what attitude we are in during the moment that we are praying.
Isa akong ganahan sa ba? When I asked my staff in our company na nidagan na ang truck, yes. Why bangga? Yes. Why lain hibawaan niya? Yes. What did say no? I really think evangelization. When Jesus focused by 12, utsinta mo takabo, kakita mo sa grupo, 12 ra ka Jesus niya. BCBP started in Makati, 12 sad. Pag start sad sa Cebu, 12 mo kabog sa to Bruges. 12 mo kabog Bruges. Apel ka sa 12. O ikaw si Peter ato sa
Well, fruits. But what you are doing, you are just sitting and waiting for the breakfast, that is wrong. Sa prayer that you can bring because the Lord will be happy. Thank you, bro.
Bro, napay pagtanan mo, nabalhin kag chapter bro. South, usam ka, gikan 1 Cebu na south niya, na north niya, human na Talisay.
Wala. Split pag-ingon nga, ang Talisay na ay outreach.
1 Cebu man ka, 1 Cebu man ka.
1 Cebu. Sa south.